Are you tired of waiting weeks just to get paid? Imagine working from your laptop, setting your own schedule, and getting paid every single day. Yes, these real work-from-home jobs actually pay daily. Let's dive in. First up, freelance writing or transcription. Websites like Rev, TranscribeMe, and TextBroker pay you per task. And you can withdraw your earnings daily through PayPal. All you need is good English, a stable internet connection, and a few hours a day to start earning. Next, microtask platforms. Try Clickworker, Remotasks, or RapidWorkers. These sites pay you instantly for completing small online jobs like data entry, image labeling, or surveys. The more you complete, the more you earn and cash out any day. Third, online chat or support jobs. Companies like Arise and LiveOps hire remote agents to answer calls or messages from home. Many pay weekly, but some gigs offer daily payout options once you hit a few completed hours. And don't forget Fiverr, TaskRabbit, or user testing, where you can sell your skills or test websites for instant cash outs. It's flexible, fun, and the fastest way to earn extra money from home, even today. So, what are you waiting for? Start today, work from anywhere, and get paid daily. Subscribe for more work-from-home ideas that really pay.